Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Today we will learn about some word problems on addition and subtraction of 6 or more than 6-digit numbers. Let us begin. The population of a town in Maharashtra includes 24,09,951 men, 23,01,986 women, and 10,51,849 children. What is the total population of that town? Now, students, tell me, how do we find the total population? Simply by adding these three numbers. So, the number of men were 24,09,951. Number of women were 23,01,986. And number of children were 10,51,849. Let us add them to find the total population. So we arrange the numbers one below the other to find their total. Let's start from the ones place. When we add the digits in ones place, we get the answer as 16. Write the 6 in ones, carry ahead the 1 in the tens column. In the tens column, I have 1 and then 5, 8 and 4. If you add these 4 digits, you get the answer as 18. Again, 8 will be in the tens column and 1 will go to the hundreds column. In the hundreds column, if we add all the digits, what will be the answer? 1 plus 9, 10, plus 9, 19, plus 8, it will be 27. So 7 in hundreds and 2 taken to thousands column. Let's add the numbers in the thousands column. 2 plus 9 plus 1 plus 1, that is 13. 3 in the thousands and 1 goes to the 10,000s column. So the sum in the 10,000s column will be 1 and 5. The rest are zeros. So 1 plus 5 is 6. In the lakhs column, we have 4 plus 3 plus 0, 7. And in the 10 lakhs column, we have 2 plus 2 plus 1, that is 5. So this is the answer of the total population. What is the total population therefore? Yes, the total population of the town is 57,63,786. This is how you will be using addition to solve word problems.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.